omurai obono iga aise gotigaranga nando ire gepindi kindi gya kabiri. Wateba madeni kuri 1 mpaka point number 1 2 mpaka nando rure 1 nando nyirure madeni etogo ichuri mpaka mogongo sima etinga kyura konengene yiga.
Bono iga finance bill I think karongulike linte bengi budget is 4.2 or something like that about 4.23
trillion.
Yes. 4.3 trillion. Last year it was 3.9.
Yeah.
I think 3.9 if onye nebire na wachiaringe go. Now abategede ba minto na egento ke na kwa na gande which is very serious. Expenditure yes serikali. Eko inde pache eko yonde kero mga kulikipa kitelet who did very well. Kero balengi even in Mukate government they did very well na mheshimiwa Raila. 1.9 trillion na kitu alenta na madeni carried forward. Then ekero urua kalenta mpaka 6 trillion. And then no jegen to kia betenga ki yoru is only one item ya collect which we can talk about. Yere express kwerende and they are collect na public something public what?
SGR ya collect ko siya gatitu na China?
No, it was private partnership. Public private partnership again to ekyo. So meaning kinga besenja tumigete patisukuri ya madeni abege tororo mo mheshimiwa Uhuru. We may say he did something, but he never did much to this country when we look at it very clearly. Then to manako and wana so mo yovon Ruto. We have a mama dento what is 2.02, lakini mona ayamendete instantly. Akamend around 2 trillion, taking us all the way to around 14 trillion. Now, remember, imagine mwako ya chabororo the next 2.5 years bono iga na ende amane komente miakende tano, which means amaden togo chugo tuara could be so times 3 we could be having around 28 trillion amadeni yo Kenya economy officially yo Kenya yao niwe togo chuko genda baka igo bono Kenya teiyo na kinko batenga bono torengereri na nabatebiga without any contradiction. Onyere bieka in 2.5 years 7 trillion. Ko komomentera another 2 years baka 2025 another 7, that is 19. Ko komentri miake yo we are talking about another 40. In fact it's around 35 trillion. Ekero kuligereria iko Kenya tuachire, meaning China yaton igegoche ke etoire and all this, and then we suffer. We are not there. Okay. Because madeni ya talko tokona kendigions. If you can allow me, in this budget very briefly, because of time, again, don't getting abategereri, a budget ne one people are discussing about it. The antebeiga again to get CDF. There is no way, if I may say, omo member of parliament, I have CDF, omo MC atakichibezi ward, omo governor atakichibezi county, omo senator atakichibezi senate to oversight. That is wrong. That is madman kind of behavior. That is bad. Tigango montakore oversight iliari kire gasi. Tari oversight ngakyomo MP akwe oversight ya sikibesi CDF. This are chokers. That's why we have failed na hende. Ngakyura rukibesi serikali otome chigende sukuru ya serikali. Sorry. I get so much annoyed. Ngayani totome chibesi ya serikali chigende school, one of the schools, for example school Nyambali was a Kisi school. Those are top schools in Kisi Gusi. Watumiri chibesi kuchiororo abana bagosomene serikali serikali neriyo na nikitumukia serikali. What kind of which strategy is that? Okay. What I'm saying, tiganga bachumbi bakolegasi yabo tigaba oversight what is in the counties, what is in the wards, wherever. Let them oversight among no them in a key ngabono mwangire ndi mwangire ngajatokonyaki. Serikali neta kirego to education, the basic necessities in life. Neta kirego to medicine, medication, education, and in terms of infrastructure. It is a responsibility of the government. Telling her a responsibility of MPs, chile kilo sibirasi vere using 1 million. Oro sikirasi 8 by 10 otumie 1 million or 2 million. Are you fair to us? Ndati ko bate abantu ba minto ebintu ngo chikomenta bile kere packet yigo chikore kwene ngote binywa onyesire narenga igana rata como te babe tayale twensi bono kwanda tro kogoma ege ntonkelinga ebintu ebingi naroche mbadi yari gukwana mu minister or treasury so finance. He was talking about circulating na exempt. Ndati ko bate bia sumu no moro to understanding ekelinki ekero te banga circulating ko etu abwate circulating mbasomere gesongo kirina somete bukale circulating goods are not taxed during sale. Circulating inchi dio tali kota ekero go chikoni turiko ba taxed. Those are circulating goods. Then but producers can claim a credit ekero ba tuale ko pare ko circulating omonto okoro producer oyo korosi bintebi nko gendaro chugo claim fat or VAT. Now that is why a lot of claims kilegal Kenya revenue in millions, in billions. Okonyo no monta ko genda ochugo claim so much money maybe ata give any service. And then on the other hand, exempt goods, the two one of your comes on this. Exempt goods into be exempted are not taxed either. Ndiko taxed, but producers cannot get a credit for the fat paid on inputs. Remember, only toko yole credit kiga siriogo kora to assist yabantu balia. It means amagulia yega kwenda igoro akobeka maguli igoro because the exemption in keyo only go to manufacture, for example. Naende it is not related. It is exempt. It means you will add something yako konye na yonyole benefit of your business. E yibone minutiga obosie obotoko libo kima. All those things toko kanga toko chikogora because of exemption. Igo monto lio korokwa omonye no lio gotone ligo so lio kobire mugo so lio kobirosia tali chwaka nukende gionsi igere exempted, meaning that commentary ligoro and it will be very high. Igote bimbadi intoli badi dikra togote binga circulating and exempt is the same. It is not the same. Fat is charged at some point. In fact, circulating is better because na umuntu akwenda claim abantu gwento kubuata into and gwento take into account na abantu bakorokwa Kenya Revenue Officers abantu ri gwento kusikira ngoro ime batotebing why bagwakana things which don't exist. That's why to what a problem in our country. So much money chikuru Kenya Revenue to the other world because in the name of circulating or in the name of exemption. Ngotisu kumanyanga kodinga na wona iga ebinte bingi byons pia have been exempt and that one will make ibintu byons bigenda igoro chipigi baka chigenda igoro ebintu byons baka bigenda igoro. We must stop that and say no. The last thing as a budget here chichibe sengo to mukire to counties. Naroche I was looking at expenditure Kenya Kisi County where omo governor Simbarati yali. In fact, I was looking at Kibese, Chikoirana, Hitakoretegasi and Leonsi, close to 3 billion, yeah. Which to me is unfortunate. Umweshimiwa Simba, surely. When this money can be put in use. Yes, I know the problem. I know the problem. As a card, never could have teaching condition. You go to Machibes late. One on debut to Michibese. A budget is just 2 weeks, isn't it? 2 weeks away. What to me in the month of May. How do you account for it? But I'm saying Simba Kabe very clever, Kabe very strategic, Nandili Kaba and Tobuate a know-how on how to do to provision or at least to focus on how this money should be expensed on a chigo late. Thank you.